Wow, it's right here.
Cool. Yeah. That's not what I expected.
Way drier than I ever thought.
It's super dry right now. Yeah.
Go, 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 go. Gloves would be great for this.
Why don't you have gloves, Darby?
Because I didn't think about this.
Alright, you want to try going down here through this guy?
Oh. Bars.
I feel like we.
There's bars over
There's
there.
the gate right there.
Oh, is that it?
Yeah.
How deep is this?
A little deep. Nice.
I need to fix that.
Drones are not allowed on this. CCI.
So why is it
Because there's a Cherokee syllabary.
There's some stuff up there. Row your boat.
We're missing Pat. They're coming. They're right behind us. Okay.
We were just seeing what's up that way. Is there anything up that way?
That was a fork up there. But they didn't take. This leads back up to the main chamber when we drop down. You think you go right over there, or you think go over these either?
We're going
Go up.
right.
I guess we can go this way now. Yeah. I think this is where the waterfall is at, right, babe? Or where it would be if it were rain. I'm pretty sure. Alright, do we have everyone? Where's Andrew?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Andrew up there?
Yeah.
Alright, we're gonna try this way.
So where are we headed?
I think we're going to the actual waterfall if it were raining.
I thought the waterfall.
The main chamber.
Yeah, there's multiple ways you can go from here to get back to the main entrance. There were already 2 or 3.
Well, there's an X right here, so I don't know if that means dead end or what.
Might be dead end.
Interesting.
This might be, actually, you remember we looked and there was that crawl and it popped back out of the entrance?
Oh, like the documentary or?
I think this
What's the best way to climb back up?
So I think this leads to the cell. I think this
Well,
is
there's a foothold right there.
I think it's trying out features, yeah.
Okay.
Oh, yeah.
You want to try getting out?
I think this dead ends at a
No,
cell.
I'm just like
Okay.
trying to be conscious of it.
No, yeah, I got you.
Oh,
We're going back.
Yeah, we're like,
Unless you want to go down.
what's it?
I think that dead ends at a cell. Is it not? Can I take a look real quick?
Yeah, it's off pretty quick.
Alright, so we're probably just gonna go back up to the main chamber.
Main chamber?
Yeah. Oh yeah, go back up to the main chamber. Let the heat soak out.
What? That doesn't go nowhere?
No.
Well,
Back up to the main chamber.
that was quick.
Maybe that little thing Man, compared to Petty John's, this cave is like so roomy.
Really?
That's where we brought
You think so?
Oh god, yeah.
From the bottom on one of those side routes.
We haven't gone. You went that way a little bit. What did you see?
No, I came up from down low.
Well, yeah, we popped up, and then you went that way, and then we went back down the hole.
Oh, okay.
Do you know what?
Then I think I saw multiple. Yeah, this is where I was going, and you're like, come on!
Yeah, I did go up here a little ways. Yeah. So I think that leads to this steep thing where
So like where that little scramble down is, and then the disaster
where we
room.
talked about having the rope and all that.
Yeah, and
Okay.
then this way goes to the.
My buddy described another room this way. Is this disaster room?
The disaster room.
Okay,
is
alright,
over
yeah.
there.
Disaster room's that way, I'm pretty sure. And then hit that at the end.
Okay.
Here, let's let. You want to let Darby catch up real quick?
Yeah, let's let Darby. Oh, I also have a couple,
No, he's right there.
2 extra energy bars, if you want, like a nice bar.
Yeah, I brought some too. What do you think?
Cool.
Calories.
Well, yeah, I mean,
Cave worms.
yeah.
I am starting to wonder if I brought enough water.
Yeah.
The skin is fast, but locked in time.
Can we wait up more than a second real quick?
Yeah. Guys, hold on.
Yeah.
I just,
You guys want to go through the hole? It pops out right there. Oh, no, definitely. Back up. It pops out right there. It's roomy. It's,
Those are the
it's
ones.
not that tight.
Those are the ones I don't like.
It's not that tight. It's really not bad.
Fine.
Give me the hole. Give me the hole. Give me the hole.
I suggest you face that way when you go through, so you just send your button slide out.
It was roomy, right, Parker?
Holes.
Yeah, it's not. You guys like holes?
No.
We're putting.
I mean, I like showing the butts.
Hey, dude,
What's up?
you go through the other one?
No, I haven't got to the other one yet.
Where is it?
Right here. Oh, this one's cool.
Yeah.
Goodbye, cool. Maybe. I'm sure I this.
Game monster!
Hello.
Oh shit. You know anything?
Yeah.
I'm trying to see if we can just do this way. Otherwise, if not, then I'll have to do it on my head.
My ass.
If this will stay, we're good.
What?
That big,
A lot cooler.
It's funny, like the way people are bed.
Oh, I didn't realize. It's not right across the
how's
top.
the climb back up?
This one.
Or is this
I found the limit too.
You want mine over here? What the fuck?
He's right down the back there.
This whole cave is like this.
Yeah.
Yeah, you know, I'm trying to have
It pops out right there. And you move it all.
Where did that one
I
go?
suggest you face
That one comes down and you can either go out that hole there or this one here. This one is a little less tight than
That
that
one's
one.
real tiny. Alright.
Or you can also go in this way and come out.
Wrong hole.
It's
tight. It was real tight.
I'm just trying to not overdo this one.
I got
Oh my
Might have to.
Are you getting flashbacks of being born?
It's a boy! Can you just squat down on
Oh man.
your leg? There you go. Just step that
That one was pretty tight.
Yeah.
Is there enough room to turn around at the bottom?
So that one forks, and if you go to the right, it's a much bigger opening. If you go to the left, it's a much tighter opening. But you can, if you go left, it'll work. You can come back and go right. Goodbye.
Bye. Oh god.
Goodbye forever.
Wah.
Are we going up or down?
He's coming down.
Coming down, come on down.
Oh shit. Oh, fucking hell. Nowhere to put my feet. Oh.
You got about 2 feet.
There we go.
You got about another foot? Oh, yep, there you go.
Cool. Cool.
So if you want to go to that tight squeeze, you go left. If you want to go out the easy way, I'll back up and let you go this way.
I'm gonna get out. That other one's too much for me.
Say what?
I'm gonna go out where you are. That other one's too much for me.
Alright.
Thanks. Can I turn around here? Oh. Oh, fuck. No, I can't.
And then squat. That's what helps.
You gonna slide down to me?
He right here.
If this is Malcolm, he's right here.
The other one.
He said he didn't want nothing about that. Look how much is broken off, dude.
Yeah.
Think of how much it would have been. Think of how more in depth it had been.
That hasn't been broken off and shit.
You got the,
Actually, the more you look, the more you see look, every one of these has pretty much been broken off at one time. Every one.
everybody wants to have a piece.
Yeah. This one made it. You did good, bud. You did good.
That's what's holding up the rest of the ceiling.
Yeah. The rest of them not so lucky. Look, this was on the ceiling, but it rotated. It's way down below is what causes it, which is where I'm confused. But somebody smarter than me was explaining it, so I wasn't going to argue about it. But I've been waiting for somebody to be like, no, that is not right. But no one's really been like, I can say without a doubt. Is that be you? Wow.
That looks like a good place for my scissors to go. I had surgery like
Spread those hips real wide.
Don't let your hips.
It's like really hard to get into much your
Oh, sorry.
Okay.
You went back there, didn't you?
Nope.
What the fuck?
No?
No,
You want to go back there, man?
No.
Here we go.
That was exactly. No, the other way was definitely more intimidating. I'll be a huckleberry.
Whoop. You gotta change the control.
Yeah. Oh.
Gas her ass!
If you don't see anything, you'll feel something. It'll stay in your stomach for 7 years. I learned that was a lie.
Oh, you learned early.
I was probably like 10, 11, 12, some shit like that.
Shit, I was at 14 or 16 till I was like, that's some bullshit. Yeah, you see a lot of artwork down in here. There's like, yeah, the art room's down in there. All kinds of little mud play. You'll have to go in.
Yeah.
Color around.
Yeah, it's fucking warm shit, man. Someone can pass me my stuff when they have a minute.
Remember, your stuff is getting sacrificed to the cave.
Oh, okay.
You pack it in, you pack it out. You didn't say nothing about me. Oh, so
I got some cave
poo. I got some cave poo.
Alright, we got everybody, let's go.
Bye, Malcolm.
Bye!
Goodbye forever.
And then this is like a lot, but that's like the main cave right there though. Look, this it goes back around and you go for full length. Oh, but it's not. Yeah.
I think also, I think this is.
Oh, sure.
Yeah, that's the one. we'll be doing some, actually not if we stay left in the first floor, if we right in the second floor, if we can get the same crawl.
But I wanted the same crawl.
Yeah, no, same crawl's kind of fun. I'm gonna explore this room, if I can get
I'm blind everybody real quick.
No, leave it on, I like it.
We're pausing, but we're not pausing. We're exploring the room, but not going past it.
I hear moist.
I did that light is amazing.
Yeah, great.
Which
Well,
light
this is
that?
2 right now.
Can you?
This is my the other one's my dive
Is
light.
that the one for your GoPro? Your DJI?
Nah, that one's in my bag.
Is that the tubular one?
This is the night core.
Okay. We need to get some of those things.
Yeah, I was gonna say, there is a
Hey, you want it right here? That's cool.
We're hanging out in the tree.
It was like pancake kind of.
This is smaller than Pancake.
What, tighter you mean?
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
I don't remember. I haven't been there in a minute.
Well, Pancake at least has some section. You can pick a path that is taller. This one, I don't see any options for that. Well, it depends on how that goes.
I thought about going that, but it'll say
That looks the same.
here.
Yeah, and then you gotta pass that line.
Yeah.
Y'all think Fox can take this?
Huh? Well, we'll wait.
Oh.
Hey guys,
What?
we're gonna wait till everyone gets here and make sure they're comfortable with it. It opens up where you're at, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
It's short. Okay.
Okay. Leah, do you want to go ahead? I'll wait on that. I'm almost there.
Woohoo!
Take that, bag.
I wouldn't even say 10.
Like not huge, but it goes up. It goes up.
Oh.
Do we have to come back from here? Or is that
No,
good?
no. Huh?
Did it loop around somehow?
Oh, that's it. Is that the
Oh.
Oh.
It loops back.
Okay. Wow. That's a hard crawl.
Did I get this on camera?
It's almost like you can just like rotate your hips a little bit.
You're just shimmy on through.
I am the knight.
Built up like a solid, like, loamy brown soil on the top.
They see me roll.
So it was just.
Rolling is the method of strength.
That's how the entrance here, they can go the other
No, it was my light. I am the light.
Creases in static. You're not supposed to tie knots in static. Old school cavers, they would get the rope, they would wrap it around a tree, and then they literally get the loose end and just put a rock on top of it and call that good. You know, they would just wrap it like 10 times.
Not even like a timber hook or nothing.
But yeah, well, that's why we don't use figure eights.
Oh, really?
Because it creases the rope and it puts too much friction, too much heat on the
Wow.
rope 5 or 6 times,
Gotcha.
so that knot never actually gets like pressure. Like I don't see that being true for all the side tracks wrong. This was it. Yeah, that side.
Okay, so this is that little side route. So the thing, oh, so this does go just straight back then.
So this goes this way.
That doesn't look like a happy highway to me.
Thank you. This is not mine.
That's mine.
I'm here. I haven't seen it now. Sounds interesting, though. Oh, I don't know if we can squeeze this in my bag.
Yeah, I almost couldn't make it through with my bag.
I'll take my bag off.
Oh, that was my butt.
They grown out and they got cut off.
Oh yeah, it opens up a lot right here.
Cool.
Can we grab your bags, pull through?
I didn't know where.
Nothing.
Yeah, I got it.
You for a second, Dan. I'm not supposed to do this. This isn't natural. I should have done that out. Oh, that's like a Canadian thing, I think. Like people like to go and dig out roots. They're like, oh, the passage there, we can dig out like a little bit of dirt.
Cool. Yeah. Yeah, that one's rough. Real rough.
What the fuck?
I understand what they're talking about now.
I can't make that time.
Yeah.
You said the flying, there's really not much good flying in the winter as far as like thermal.
It was like, or maybe 2012. I can't even remember what it cost.
It was around 2012, it was like $200.
Down there, over there already.
Yeah.
What's the play?
I think we're gonna try to hit this one last room and then leave.
How long is that?
I don't think it's very far.
3 hours later.
No. if we're moving quick, we can probably knock it out in like 30 minutes.
Yeah, I mean, like, yeah. If you're just chilling or whatever, I mean,
Don't want to pass the message.
You ready to hit the last one?
I'll do it.
Yeah, that's the last one.
If y'all need to get
Is that your battery down?
Nah, just starting recording. I am on my 4th battery though, so trying to conserve it.
Is that 404?
404.
404.
Oh yeah, yeah. Oh.
That's, oh, fuck.
You go to the right.
Yeah.
There. Yeah. I mean, it's not great. It's not big, but it does connect.
Oh Jesus, it's a crawl. I don't know.
Yeah.
It's any easier.
Like I said, it's not great, but it connects. Alright, give it a college try.
Oh boy. Got feet first? Yeah.
Seems to be easier, although I don't know. Like 10 minutes. I'm like, this was stupid. But you never know. Unless you try. How bad is my helmet scratched?
A fair bit. May not be as bad. I can't tell with the mud on there. I know I've definitely broken mine in.
What's right here? it down, honestly. I think it's safer.
Okay.
I thought we'd be able to walk across that.
Oh, interesting.
Good.
Ooh, let's put on there. Wait, there's a squeeze.
That's what I was wondering if that was a squeeze.
Right there. I thought it
Oh, maybe it's not
was
there.
It's this.
Is that it?
I see light. That is still not a great way down. It's not a sheer drop, but it's not great either.
No, it's not a good way down there. Commit to it and still stuff.